Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete cache files in your Google Chrome browser. So alright, let's jump into it. First of all, open up your Google Chrome, and then once you're here you can steady your cursor at the top right corner of the screen and then click on these three dots here. Then in the drop down menu you can find here more tools and then click on clear browsing data. So once we here, we can choose in this time range drop down menu last hour, last 24 hour, last 7 days and last 4 weeks, and also all time. I prefer using all time. And then you can check this checkbox. If you want delete your browse history, you can click on it and then click on clear data. Let me do that. Wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see, cookies successfully delete from this browser. That's it. I hope it helps you can watch this new video or this playlist about Google.